I am very excited to be here. It's my second year, and I'm soft launching my own label, Kanika Kapoor. It's the first stall, guys. You all have to go and have a look. And we're supporting a charity which my mother runs called Kalakriti from Lucknow, which is where I belong to. So I hope that it goes really well for everyone today, and all the best to IMC.
Okay, Kanika, the country is celebrating women power.
Yeah.
So Rio Olympics में बहुत बड़ा achievement है. So
Absolutely.
what do you want to say about it?
Well, I think it's great power to everybody who's got, made us so proud. And I mean, me being a woman myself, I feel that every girl should try and, do her best, live her dreams, and their families should support them. And, you can reach wherever you want to,
Thank you so much.
just like Adeepa did.
Thank you.
song you want to dedicate?
My latest song, Dwarka De Beat, Vibhuti Beat, Vibhuti. I hope you guys have heard it.
Challenge भी लिया.
Challenge लिया है सब लोग ने.
Yes.
So the remix is coming out now. So guys, support it and love it, and lots more music coming. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, India did very well at the Olympics. I think medal-wise, probably we would have liked to have done a little bit better. But I think that there's always ups and downs with each time that the Olympics falls. Some amazing performances. PV Sindhu, an absolute champion. Sakshi Malik, just fantastic. And I think come Tokyo 2020, we'll see so many more medals at those Olympics. So I'm very hopeful to be a part of really creating some great positive momentum.
The power of women.
Yeah.
What's your reaction on that? क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ। आपने अगर मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट देखे होंगे, पिछले 2-3 पोस्ट जो मैंने किए हैं, इज़ टू सेलिब्रेट दैट ओनली। मेरी सिर्फ एक ख्वाहिश है कि आई होप कि वी पुट इन मोर मनी इनटू स्पोर्ट, मोर मनी इनटू फीमेल एजुकेशन, मोर मनी इनटू जस्ट everything. I hope the government is more supportive, and also people who get a lot. I feel like I've been born with a lot, I've been blessed with a lot, and it's my duty to give back in whatever way possible, and I try to do that every day, and in my own little way. So we've all been blessed with a lot, and even if we've not been blessed with a lot, even if we've been blessed with something, we should give back to society.
जब से ये वर्कशॉप मैंने लॉन्च किया है, तब से इतने सारे फ़ोन कॉल्स आ रहे हैं, मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं कि उनकी ज़िंदगियाँ ऑलरेडी बदल चुकी हैं, कि जो कुछ लोगों ने मुझे मैसेज किया कि जो उनमें एकदम घिन या नफ़रत थी एक शख्स के प्रति, वो बिल्कुल चला गया है। कोई कह रहा है कि वो अपने लाइफ में कुछ और महसूस कर रहा है, ये महसूस कर रहा है। तो इतना अच्छा लगा कि 2 दिन के अंदर इतना उनका पर्सनल वातावरण जो है इतना बदल चुका है। आई फेल्ट वेरी गुड। ऑल्सो एक बहुत अच्छी बात है कि उसके बाद शोज़ ऑफर्स आने लगे कि आप हमें हैप्पी सोल औरंगाबाद में चाहिए, हमें हैप्पी सोल हैदराबाद में चाहिए, हमें हैप्पी सोल जयपुर में चाहिए, हमको हैप्पी सोल यहाँ पे चाहिए। अब मुंबई में भी बहुत सारे ऑफर्स आ रहे हैं, तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि इतना अप्रिशिएट हो रहा है हैप्पी सोल।